Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Crafty Angels. And I'm here to show you a project share that I have done with one of those little plastic things that come in packages to secure them in place so in case something's fragile it doesn't break. I learned how to do this on my own without popping the little pillow, as I'm going to call it. Okay? And all the wedding lace that you see here is from Daisy Scrap and Rooster, who is Neri on YouTube. This is going to go to my granddaughter for her dollhouse. And all I did was overlay all the wedding appliques and stuff on here. But the way I did it was I put the hot glue on the applique first, let it cool down a little, then glued it to the little pillow here. And that's what I did. So this is my project share for the little pillow. And I had something stuck to it so it looks pink. I'll get it out later. So I want to thank you all for watching, Crafty Angels. Please like, share, and comment, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you would like me to see how I actually did it, please let me know in the comment section. And I'll see if I can find another one of the little pillows from the boxes. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, Crafty Angels.